The rhyming scheme for remembering letters. The idea here is to use images that begin with the same sound as the letter which they represent. For example, the word jeans represents the letter G. Even though jeans starts with a J, it has the sound of a G. Jeans. When you need to remember letters in a sequence, use the letter's image in a string of merged images. For example, if there's a letter in your driver's license number, you could use the appropriate image from the list, merged first with your car, to help you know that it has to do with driving. Here's an example of how the rhyme scheme with animals works. Let's say you need to remember the letters B, L, G, Y, and T. B is represented by a bumblebee. L is represented by an elephant. G is represented by jeans. Y is represented by wine. And T is represented by a golf tee. These letters are part of your house insurance number policy. So we start with your house. So the letters are anchored to it. Otherwise, they're just floating out there and are more easily forgotten. Here's your house. There's a huge bee buzzing around it. The bee lands on an elephant. Frightened, the elephant puts on a pair of jeans for protection. To relax, he drinks some wine. And then he jumps on a giant golf tee. Of course, your imagination can do a far better job than these silly graphics. They're just to show you the idea. Go over your story using spaced repetition until you really know it. Whatever numbers are in the policy are handled with the number recall scheme.